Too bad most of them are endangered. I know. Did you know every second 1.5 acres of rainforest is destroyed? That's so bad. But what can we do to help?
Here's some reasons why deforestation actually happens. Deforested land sells for 30% more than undeforested land. But cutting down trees can cause a greenhouse effect, which may damage the Earth's ozone layer. And that's the atmosphere that protects Earth from the sun. 20% of fresh water flows through the Amazon, and so the Amazon basin is like a funnel from west to east. It also serves as the lungs of the Earth because it gives us a lot of our oxygen.
Things you can do to help are recycle anything you can. Newspapers, cans, glass bottles, jars, anything.
You can hide the throwaway cups and train people to use their washable coffee mugs. This cup is not working. And Susanna, also get rid of the water bottles. Use reusable water bottles because they contribute less waste to the earth.
Another thing you can do is use cold water in your dishwasher and washing machine.
Use the stairs instead of the elevators on trips that are like less than 3 floors because you can get good exercise from it. And it might take a little longer, but it's better for the earth.
Store your food in reusable containers instead of plastic wrapper that you'll just throw away.
Buy locally grown food and locally made products when possible.
Take unwanted reusable items to a charitable organization or thrift shop. Start a compost pile in your yard where all your fruits and vegetables can go.
Think twice about buying disposable products. They aren't really disposable and are an extravagant waste of the world's resources.
Put up bird feeders, bird houses, and bird baths.
Even though deforestation can be a problem, there are lots of ways that we can do to help. Don't monkey around, help save the rainforest.
See you when the commercial is done. What?
You know you started. Why? Don't laugh. Don't touch him. Oh my god, there's background music.
The commercial's over!